Okay, here we go. This is what my site looks like from my computer. I turned on the editing switch, so it's on. Here's my lesson one. Notice the font and it's not bold black like I would like it to be. I'm having lots of difficulties with trying to just get the same font to match. And see, here's the objectives. It's bold and black. I watched your video and organized everything pretty well. I'm pretty happy with my lesson one. Everything looks pretty good. But again, with the font, I'm having trouble getting everything consistent. So you can tell here, and I know how to do it inside the place where you go to do it. I mean, it's pretty easy, but it just doesn't seem to work for me. But here's the big issue. This is hidden, right? Here's the eyeball. It's hidden. You shouldn't be able to see this, although on the other computer you can see a lot more stuff that I have hidden, because if I go down here, notice all this, it combines several lessons together when I try and delete all this. So I've refrained from doing that. In the beginning, I didn't even have this. This disappeared after a while, and that's when all my trouble happened. If I go in here and I try and delete all this, it's going to combine the one that's below it. It merges them together for whatever weird reason. I mean, compatibility issues. Just, I hope you will start to understand, if you view this and what it should look like and what it looks like on a different computer. It's just unbelievable how the problems I've been having. So here's my lesson two. Again, it should not have showed any of this. This is all supposed to be hidden, but a lot of things are showing. Things that I've deleted even, that aren't even showing on my computer, showing up on the other computer. So none of that should be seen. Then here's my lesson two. Again, I, for whatever reason, can't get that to go bold. And objective, here's everything, the content. It should look the same just as lesson one. Still need to do a little bit more work, but you can see it's definitely cleaned up. Okay, and then it goes, supposed to be to my lesson three. Same thing, the same format. It's very consistent. And I don't like how this is all so close. It makes it hard to read, and I've been trying to figure out how to space it out more and try different fonts, and again, just having trouble with everything. It's very frustrating. I added tag or alts to my images as well, so I've done lots and lots of work. So then it goes directly to lesson four. And again, it's pretty consistent, same thing, a little bit different. I took your advice with the slideshow rubric. I left the Word document, but I also put it in regular, so all they have to do is just click it and it shows up. So they don't have to have Microsoft Word. That was a great idea. I didn't think about that. Some people don't have it. So lesson five, same thing. Same thing, consistent. I still need to do a little bit more work. But then here's the weird part. Notice here's nothing. Okay, and also this one I've turned off, so no one's supposed to be able to see it. But this video seems to pop up everywhere. This is lesson two. Like I said, when I tried to delete it is when I ran into all these problems. All my things, my lessons just merged together, and then I couldn't delete it. I couldn't do anything, and I was, I've spent so many hours trying to do these lessons. And the most frustrating part is most of those hours were because things weren't working right for me. And I know it's because of compatibility issues. Okay, I have lots of experience with working and designing websites, and I've never come across anything so frustrating and just demoralizing than working in this class with this Moodle site. I mean, it's unbelievable. It should not be this frustrating. And again, I think if I was just using a different computer, which I'm going to jump on that other computer right after this and start playing around with it and see if I can clean it up through just using a different computer, the different operating system, because I have two Macs, and one is from school, the other one's from home. The one from school's older, and the one from home is newer, and the one from home, it's actually my fiance's. Seems, that's what I checked it on and could find out, wow, this is what people are seeing from my site. It looks horrible. So hopefully I can go in through, start using her computer, have her bring it home, and just clean this all up. I don't know, but please be understanding. I've spent so many hours trying to figure and work with this Moodle course. Very frustrating.